Hello everyone. My name is Professor Priyanka Chandwani and today we are going to learn idioms and phrases. English is a very fascinating language. It is colorful and it is really full of expressions. One such tool that many of the people around you use to make it memorable is idioms and phrases. It is important for us to understand this concept first of all because if a person, even you, wants to become an advanced speaker of English language, you will really need to learn and understand these idioms. This sounds challenging, I know this, but it becomes exciting once we realize how often idioms are used. When you go in a company level, you will understand all the people around you are using these idioms in a very fluent way. They don't even understand, they don't even know that maybe you will be finding it difficult to understand their language. But for them, it is as easy as speaking their native language. So, working hard to master these idioms will raise our English to a very new level. We'll become more confident and more fluent. So, let's start with the first idiom and take few idioms and phrases as an example and use them in our day-to-day life. So, here comes the first idiom, that is cutting corners. Cutting corners means anything that you do poorly or cheaply. When you travel, you don't find hotels that are high rated or something, and you cut off the prices and go for cheap hotels. That is cutting corners. So don't cut corners on this project. It has to be done thoroughly, no matter the cost. The government cut the corners when they built the school with bad materials and put everyone in danger. So they're cutting the corners means they are doing it cheaply. Okay, so they are doing it why? Because they want to save time or their money. So you can use in both the ways. Okay, the second one is you would have heard about it, spill the beans. इसका मतलब होता है किसी का सीक्रेट किसी को बता देना. To tell people some secret information, to reveal something. This is known as spill the beans. So the example is someone spilled the beans about Rick's surprise party. Like they disclose the secret. Okay. There is a surprise party for Peter on Wednesday. Please don't spill the beans. That means do not share the secret to anybody. Okay. Now we can take one other example. We had everything organized for Latika's surprise party, but Kate accidentally spilled the beans. You can add this word also. Accidentally spilled the beans. मतलब गलती से बता देना. Okay, this was an innovative way to use it. You can use it in your day-to-day life also. Don't wait for using these idioms when only you speak English. You can use it even when you are speaking in Hindi. Chalo, I'll tell you a secret, but please don't spill the beans. You can just add on Hindi and English so that you become fluent with English. Okay, the next one is a dime, a dozen. Dime is you can say 10 cents, okay? It is a very low cost and giving a very low cost for a dozen means बहुत सस्ता कोई भी चीज, okay? Something that is common, something that is cheap, okay? This means, let's take an example so that you understand it nicely. Adventure and traveling based reality shows are now outrated and dime a dozen. मतलब बहुत cheap हो गए हैं ये सब, बहुत सस्ते हो गए हैं. Okay? Let's take another example. Websites on health and fitness. Websites on health and fitness are a dime a dozen nowadays. मतलब बहुत सारी हो गई हैं. उनकी वैल्यू नहीं रही है. But not all of them are accurate and have correct information. You know this thing. You see that there are a lot of things and because of that thing उनकी वैल्यू कम हो जाती है. So a dime, a dozen का मतलब होता है किसी भी चीज की वैल्यू कम हो जाना, वो बहुत कॉमन हो जाना. Okay, like let's take another example. Cheap watches like this have flooded the market. You can get them dime a dozen. मतलब तुम बहुत सस्ते में उसको लेकर आ सकते हो. Understand? Let's take another example. Beat around the bushes. In Hindi we say घुमा फिरा के कोई भी चीज करना या घुमा फिरा के बात करना. So it is beat around the bushes. Let's take the meaning. Avoid saying what you mean, usually because it is uncomfortable. Okay? Let's take the examples. You will have to learn to speak clearly about what you want. You won't get anywhere if you keep beating around the bush. Okay, let's take another example. Why can't you get straight to the point instead of beating around the bush? Okay, then let's take another example. If you have something important to tell me, then stop beating around the bush and spill the beans. So we use two phrases. मतलब अगर आपके पास कोई सीक्रेट है बताने के लिए तो जस्ट डोंट बीट अराउंड द बुश, मतलब घुमा फिरा के बात नहीं करो, एंड जो भी सीक्रेट है वो बता दो. सो वी कैन यूज 2 to 3 phrases in one sentence also. Okay, let's take another example. Break a leg. This is an interesting one. This is a sentence which does not give you even a hint that what is behind it. Break a leg का मतलब होता है good luck. तोड़ के आना, फोड़ के आना. We say this when we speak Hindi. This is break a leg. So don't take it elsewhere. It is just hope luck favors you. ठीक है, लक तुम्हारे साथ रहे. अपन लोग हिंदी में ये सब चीजें बोलते हैं. This is break a leg. Okay, let's take the example. Break a leg shouted. Break a leg shouted the stage director to his actors before the beginning of the play. You won't have an exam tomorrow. Sorry, you have an exam tomorrow. Break a leg. Okay, it's all like good luck, best wishes, everything. To wish someone luck, जो अपन लोग word use कर सकते हैं, we can use break a leg also. Let's take one more example. My first stage performance is scheduled for tonight. Well, I'll break a leg. This way you can use these idioms. Okay. The next one is better late than never. Turn your brains and you will understand इसको हिंदी में क्या बोला जाता है. It is देर आए दुरुस्त आए. Better to arrive late than not to come at all. All of us have been waiting for you for 2 hours, but better late than never. Thank God you came, this means, okay? I know that it took me weeks to send the letter, but better late than never. चलो भेज तो दिया, नहीं भेजने से अच्छा भेज तो दिया. This means better late than never. Okay, let's take one more example. He showed up for the wedding when they were already cutting the cake, but better late than never. So these are some phrases. This was the last one for today. These are some phrases and idioms that you can use in your day-to-day life. I want you to use them, make examples of your day-to-day life, and speak with your friends when even you are using Hindi, okay? You can use these English phrases or English idioms so that when you speak English, these things can stroke your mind, okay? When you speak English, the fluency will increase with idioms. So please use these idioms. Try to speak very clearly. And as I said in the previous video, and I'll always say, find a company and try to speak regularly for just 15 to 20 minutes. Or speak to yourself in the mirror if you don't get the company, but start speaking English to get that fluency. Thank you. Have a good day.